Hi everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can create this simple line typography. So let's begin and create a new document. So for this video I will be using this custom size document which is 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I will be renaming my document to be line typography. But however, feel free to use any of these documents provided by Adobe Illustrator. It's not necessary that you have to stick with the same document size as I am, but let's go. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is to create a background color, right? So over here, when you open a new document, by default, this new layer one also opens up. So I'll double click on this and rename this to background. And I do not require the stroke as of now. And over here in this fill, let's choose a nice color. So in that one, it was a pink, light pink color. So let's change it a little bit and choose a nice, I think, dark red maroonish type of shade and click on OK. Now we go to the rectangle tool, click on the document and provide in the same size as the size of a document, which is 1000 by 1000 pixels, like that, and drag our box to the document and go ahead and lock a layer as well. So I'll go ahead and now create a new layer, and in this new layer I will type out text. Okay, so now I will be choosing this type tool, click on my document and type out any word you like. Doesn't necessarily have to be line itself. Let's type in a different word. Let's type in believe, and I'll select this and I'll let the font style be Myriad Pro as it is. But yeah, feel free to choose any of the other fonts provided by Adobe Illustrator. You are perfectly free to choose any type of font you like. Okay, and then the only difference will be that I will be making it my text bold and increasing the size of my font from 12 to 128, like that. Once that's done, I will right click on my text and click on create outlines and go over here to this Pathfinder tool and click on unite. So you only do unite if the words are overlapping one another to become one single text. But since in this scenario there are no overlapping, so the unite option will not work. But as long as we've created an outline, we're good to go. Okay. So while you're here in this Pathfinder panel, we click on this option, these lines right here, and click on and choose this make compound shape. And once that's done, this expand option gets activated and we'll click on expand. So once that's done, we'll go to the object tool, go to path and click on offset path. So over here in this offset path panel, I will be giving an offset of 5 pixels, and like if you click on preview, you can see like a layer, like a thin outline is formed. If you want, you can let it be 5 pixels or just play around with the value as well. Try out with different formats like 8, so, or probably 10, or whichever number you think that suits best your text, right? I'll be sticking to 8 like this. And now get your attention right here to this fill option right here. So the fill is black, but there is no stroke, right? So I'll just click on this swap fill and stroke panel like that. And now the stroke is black, which is created an outline around our text. So while it's still selected, we can go ahead and also increase the stroke weight. So by default, it's 1. We can go ahead and increase the stroke weight to maybe 3 or nudge it up more to 6, like that. So I'll select both of these things and click on Shift plus Alt to scale my text even bigger like that. And there you go. Now this was the line typography. So mind you, it will change a little depending on what type of text you're writing, but the effect is the same, but it will be a little different with each word you type. Okay, so let's go ahead and also save our file. To do that, we'll be going to File, Save As, and by default, my save as type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I let it be the way it is and let the file name be line typography. So just in case if I want to make any other further changes, I can easily access my Adobe Illustrator file. And we click on save and OK. There you go. This was the line typography tutorial. I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you can soon experiment with different words, play around with a different stroke weight as well, and create your very own line typography. So thank you for watching and keep practicing.